Another beautiful day to be on the water. The fall colors are just gorgeous. Visibility is at a minimum, as well as there's lots of rain and lots of eagles. Look at this beauty coming right at us. Look at that. Probably a little hard to see, but. So we're just running out to the property to get the skiff so I can run back here as quick as possible. By run, I mean playing on a boat, and pick up the rest of the wood and the door that's just sitting out in the rain. It's gonna tarp it, but I thought tarps on the highway, that's just gonna be a nightmare. Maybe it won't rain. It rained. Thankfully I put a coat of Odie's oil on the door, so I'm hoping that the weather won't do too much damage to it. But I gotta get that thing to the property and dry it off and undercover as quickly as possible. So let's go. Crazy to think it's a big beautiful lake. I'm the only boat on the water. What is wrong with people? Got all this glory to myself. I'll take it. Alright, we had a successful turnaround. Switching boats. Getting nice and wet here. Pretty awesome. By awesome, I mean awful. Hey, gotta have grit. We live on Vancouver Island, off grid. That's for sure. Guys, good news. Looks like we've got a seasonal waterway coming down the trail right in front of my property. You know what that means. Hydro project! Nothing like a campfire to make everything seem alright. Hey Zoe girl, what'd you think? What'd you think of the property? So many new smells, hey Bart? Nice to have a friend up here. Not be by myself. Pants are steaming away here, drying out. Probably shouldn't have worn my cotton jeans out here. Next time, Gore-Tex pants. Good girl, Zoe. Yeah. Feels good, don't it? Warm fire. Time to suit up. Shiplap time. Edit that out. Not that good. Alright, the front wall is done. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna use my long drill bit here to drill holes in the corner where the door is, so I can snap some lines on the outside and I'll know that I didn't put them in the wrong spot. Do it for the window here too. Oh, get some daylight in here. Yeah. So up here, I don't have as much backing to nail my boards to, and they're gonna have to notch around these beams here. So I've added these little backing strips. Now they'll get hidden because I'm putting 3-inch rigid foam on the whole outside of all this shiplap, right? So it's gonna cover it up. So I cut these little strips at 3 inches. So I'll have some backing that I can pin in from the inside with just an 18 gauge pinner. These boards that'll be kind of loose right there. And then I'll run the shiplap up here and nail into this. This is flush with the framing, right? I placed these rafters right on the outside wall so that they would act as backing for the shiplap. So I gotta put another little strip right there to back that beam. And then I just have to cut the taper on these pieces and fit them all in there and close up these walls. I think I might sleep in here tonight. The tent was a little chilly. wish it was a little bit taller.
Yeah, sidewalls are done. It's almost beer 30.
Nice crackling fire. Pot of Itchy Band and a nice IPA. That's how you finish a day, right, so? Hey, girl? Yeah. Well, there you have it. She's all shiplapped. 4 walls sure makes a huge difference for just the feel of this whole building. I'm just tickled with excitement now. And excited to get back to my shop so I can build these windows and get the glass ordered ASAP. The relentless rain these last few weeks has been kind of a downer, but it's all looking good now because I'm gonna have a warm, dry place, a lot warmer and drier than my tent. I'm hoping soon. There's probably a lot more to do before we get there, but I will not relent. I will persist until it is finished. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share it with some friends and family, you know. 'Tis the season to share awesome off-grid videos. And if any of you guys know how to build your own windows by hand out of wood with glass, or you know some resources, please leave a comment down below with some video links or anything like that, because I've never built wood windows before, and it seems like something I could screw up pretty easily. Anyways, till the next video, see you.